First time I ever heard about the flat earthers was, I think, when I was in space last. I can't believe I'm talking about this.
I actually ran into a NASA employee at Starbucks, asked him why NASA means deceive in Hebrew. Technically, it's the word nashah, but it sounds so similar.
You hate Americans? Is that it?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
How the hell did you get that?
Well, I just got kicked out of Starbucks for asking NASA employees questions.
Will you stop interrupting me and just shut up for 2 seconds?
Well, if you answer the question, it's a simple question.
Right, guys,
just answer the question.
Guys, come on.
Answer the question if you interrupt me.
Come on, man. All right, go ahead, Nathan.
Seriously.
We'll try not to interrupt you. Go ahead.
Yeah, try the whole time.
On our model, what is the reason the atmosphere spins with the Earth?
Because you're religious fundamentalist. There's
No,
no
Nathan, actually answer the question.
It's because they don't want anyone to know anything. They want people dumb, blind, deaf to the truth, so they can inject you with their vaccines and their public schooling and this heliocentric model, which is basically
here's some flat Earth music. Next level, ice cold, flat Earth model on my bezel.
People have flat earthers is totally wrong. You know, they think they're total idiots and they live in their mom's basement and they believe everything anyone tells them. It's quite the opposite. We test everything. We're all either super successful or doing our own thing. And I've met hundreds of flat earthers and none of them are living in their mom's basement, so.
In today's 21st century navigation systems, they're using what's called a ring laser gyroscope. It is extremely precise. If we could simply get one of these ring laser gyroscopes, we would be able to prove once and for all that there is no. What we found is when we turned on that gyroscope, we found that we were picking up a drift, a 15-degree-per-hour drift. Now, obviously, we were taken aback by that. Wow, that's kind of a problem.
At a conference in Raleigh, we want to have proof there's no curvature. And if we can do that, it's game over. But the rotation is not looking good at this point. That's weird. We don't want to blow this, you know?
Right.
I mean, we got $20,000 in this freaking gyro. But yeah, if we dumped what we found right now, we would be, it'd be bad. It would be bad. So what I just told you is confidential.
Okay.
We have a backup experiment. If you're seeing through this hole, through the next hole, and seeing the light at the backboard, or at 17 feet off the water, the Earth is flat. If he's holding it up at 23 feet high and we're seeing the light, well, that's because the Earth's curved. So I should only be able to see it when it's at 17 feet. Okay, go ahead and drive down there, Enrique. You're gonna hold the light there. Enrique, how high is your light?
17 feet.
I mean, it's as, we don't see you, Enrique. Lift up your light way above your head. Interesting. Interesting there. That's interesting.
Flat Earth believers. Why would you approve to be in a documentary that doesn't really support the theory? If walking out of here, if I didn't research it ahead of time, okay, if I still, and I did, believe the Earth was a globe. Listen, I don't even know if it is flat. Whatever. Either way, I would leave this theater thinking, well,
that was a farce.
15-degree movement of the Earth and this laser experiment. Of course it's a globe.
Agreed.
And people like you, I would not approve that. I would not be in a film that just presents two supposedly scientific views that prove it's a globe.